In previous video, we have learned about the random variable x, probability distribution and probability mass function of random variable x. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the next distribution function, that is cumulative distribution function. This is also known as CDF. The cumulative distribution function CDF of a discrete random variable x is denoted by capital F and defined as capital F of x is equal to probability of x less than or equal to x is equal to summation of probabilities of x is equal to xi, where xi is less than x. That is summation of all probabilities such as xi less than x. So the cumulative distribution function capital F of x is equal to sum of probability mass function of xi, and this xi is less than x. Here f of xi is the probability mass function of the discrete random variable x. So let's see the one example for this distribution function. Consider the random experiment of tossing 3 coins and counting the number of heads. Here random experiment is tossing 3 coins. So if coin is tossed 3 times, if coin is tossed 3 times, then the sample space S is with elements HHH, HHT, HTH, then THH, next element HTT, THT and TTH, and last element is all are tails. So total number of sample points n of S is equal to 8. Here random experiment is tossing, coin is tossed 3 times and random variable is counting the number of heads. So here we consider the capital X is the random variable and capital X is number of heads. So possibilities of number of heads are x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So possibilities of number of heads 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now here probability distribution of random variable x is given as the possibilities of x is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Number of heads 0, x is equal to 0. Then probability distribution of x is equal to 0, that is no heads is the possibility of 0 head is only one possibility. So probability distribution is 1 upon 8, total number of sample points. Possibility of no heads 0 heads upon total number of sample points. So 1 upon 8 is the probability of x is equal to 0. Now the next probability for x is equal to 1, that is for the number of head is 1. Then the probability distribution is for h is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, 1, 2 and 3. Here when the number of head is 1, then the possibilities are 3. So probability distribution for x is equal to 1 is 3 by 8. Similarly for x is equal to 2, that is number of heads is equal to 2. Then possibilities are, here possibilities of x is equal to 2 is 1, 2 and 3. So the probability distribution is 3 by 8 for x is equal to 2. Now the last possibility x is equal to 3, that is all 3's are heads. The possibilities, there is only one possibility. So probability distribution for x is equal to 3 is 1 upon 8. The probability distribution or probability mass function of given random variable x. Now Here we have to find the cumulative distribution function, that is capital F of x. Here capital F of x is given as the first probability is, first cumulative distribution function is, as it is the probability distribution of x is equal to 0, 1 by 8, and here the cumulative distribution function of x is equal to 0 is 1 upon 8, as the probability distribution of x is equal to 0, and the next cumulative distribution function is the sum of these two probability distribution. So the sum of these two probability distribution, 1 plus 3, 4 upon 8. The sum of these two distribution is the cumulative distribution function of x is equal to 1. Now the next cumulative distribution for x is equal to 2 is the sum of all three probability distribution, that is 1 plus 3 plus 3 by 8. 1 plus 3, that is 4, and 4 plus 3, 7 by 8 is the cumulative distribution of f of x is equal to 2. The sum of all previous distribution up to 2, x is equal to 2. Now the next cumulative distribution function is the sum of all this is probability distribution is 1. In this way we can find the probability, the cumulative distribution function for x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. Now the next example is the probability distribution of x is as follows. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and their probabilities, corresponding probabilities are 0.1, k, 2k, 2k and k. Here we have to find the value of k and the value of f of 2. So this table gives the probability distribution of random variable x, and we know that the sum of all probabilities of given random variable x is 1. So using this formula, sum of the probabilities of x is equal to xi, here I is equal to 0 to 4 is equal to 1. Now all these probabilities distribution is equal to 1. So sum of all these probabilities, 0.1 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus k is equal to 1. Now the number of k's are 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6k, and 0.1 plus 6k is equal to 1. So 6k is equal to 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9. 6k is equal to 0.9. So k is equal to 0.9 upon 6 is equal to 0. Dividing by 6 to 0.9, we get k is equal to 0.15. So here the value of k is 0.15. Now the next question is find the value of f of 2, that is cumulative distribution for x is equal to 2. So we can write f of 2 is equal to sum of all probabilities up to 2, that is p of x less than or equal to 2. This can be written as probability of x less than or equal to 2, and these probabilities are sum of the probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. F of 2 means the sum of probabilities up to 2. So the first probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2. Now calculating these values, probability of x is equal to 0 is 0.1. Now plus probability of x is equal to 1 is k and probability of x is equal to 2 is 2k plus 2k. Now this sum is 0.1 plus 3k. Now substituting the value of k, 0.1 plus 3 into 0.15, that is 0.1 plus 0.15 into 3, 0.45, and 0.1 plus 0.45 is equal to 0.55. So the value of f of 2, that is the cumulative distribution function for x is equal to 2 is equal to 0.55 for given random variable x. In this way, we can calculate the cumulative distribution function of given random variable x using the probability distribution.